Yeah, at least it's a lot higher than the Woodshed now, because it sure wasn't before.
Oh, I think that's pretty good, man.
Find out in the morning. Coming up the hill to my dad's house this morning. Kind of excited to check the boiler. My brother and I, we made a few changes to the stove yesterday. And hoping that it's holding heat. That's the first time in a 2-week period that I've actually had the stove get up to 190 degrees. And I see it's puffing smoke right now. So, man, we added a 7-foot section of stovepipe last night to it. And I'm thinking that cured the problem. We're going to find out as soon as I open that door. Be pretty awesome if it did cure the issue completely. Kind of looks like it, but I'm not really sure. It just hasn't been holding a good fire, puffing out the stack right now. And it looks red hot inside the firebox. Well, that's a thing of beauty with that blue smoke puffing out the side of, that stovepipe. Temperature on the stove, 140 this morning. And the firebox had a lot of wood still left in it. So, yeah, I think the stovepipe did the trick to hold the fire. And the lines coming out the back are very hot. So, yeah, awesome. Good morning.